Hi, I thought I'd show you what I've been working on. So as you can see in here in the plugin settings, I have added a lot of parameters to the plugin. So like the player columns, player rows is the columns and rows of the player inventory, the cell size, some paddings, some colors for the cursor in the inventory. Also here you can define custom inventories, which is those that can be used for example, chests or something like that. We also have a list of rarities, which is at the current point just something used to change the background color of items and the color of names for items in the inventory. Then I added some ways to change the text in the different command prompts that opens up while you use the plugin. So this one is if you try to destroy or to draw up an item, then there will be a confirmation window, which is this window. So you can set a title, some text for the body, and what the confirm text for the confirm button, and the cancel button, and the width of the window itself. Also, some of the other windows in the same way, you can change the names. So, for example, if your game is not in English, you'll probably want to have this in another language. Maybe you just don't like the names uh, I wrote in the first place. But the biggest change is the tooltip config. This is for the tooltip window. I added a lot of customization options for it. Mostly it's just like you can choose if you want it to show the item name, then put it as true. Or if you don't want to show the item name, set it as false. And then you can actually choose exactly what it should write there. So in this case, for item name text, if you use this, it will just give you the name of the item. But for some of these, like a bit um, different. So this add state um, trait, I think it's an effect, an item effect. Um, remove state. So for this one, you'll say this is a percentage. So for example, 50% chance to remove, and then the state. But if maybe you don't want it to be called that, you can actually just change it here. And I have this for pretty much every single trait or effect or stuff like that. You can actually add to a weapon item or arm of that matter. So yeah, there's a lot of options there. That's currently the customization option I have been working on. It's still not completely done. I will probably still figure out some ways to do some more customization. For example, for the tooltip, I want to make it possible to change this for specific items inside the items node tags. So maybe for a specific item, you don't want to show something, but you want it because you kind of want it to be like a hidden stat, kind of, maybe. Or maybe you want it to show only for that single item, but not for all of the other items, or stuff like that. So I think that would be nice, but that will still take some time to code. But yeah, I hope this is good, but this is what I've been working on.